Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Y16 smartwatch, and as we promised, we're going to tackle on the watch faces for the Y16 smartwatch. We're going to install, download the available watch faces for the smartwatch. Although we already have here several preloaded watch faces, we're going to check on the support app if we do have an update for the watch faces. Okay, so let's open the support app. So we are using the Fit Pro app for your Y16 smartwatch. Okay, so let's try it. So as you can see here, device disconnected. Let's set and let's connect. Is it connected? Okay, is this the LT716? So let's check. Maybe we connected other wearables here. So here on the settings, okay, just go to the about section. So we have here the LB615. So this is not the device. Okay, so let's remove. Okay, and let's add. Okay, bind device. So let's check. So we have here LB615. I think that is our Y16 smartwatch. Just tap on it and let's see if we will be successfully link again the Y16 smartwatch to our support app. Okay, we're still waiting. Just wait. Completed. Okay, so we have successfully synchronized and connect our Y16 smartwatch. Okay, so let's go here. Let's proceed. So where's the watch face section? Okay, so let's go to dial settings. It is loading the watch faces. So let's see. Okay, it may take some time. Okay, let's check first our internet connection. Okay, again, let's go back, dial settings. Okay, so it is loaded. So we have here, as you can see, several colorful watch faces designed for your Y16 smartwatch. Okay, so from animated, we have animated and beautiful cartoons. Okay, clear photos. Okay, we also have here scenery. We also have flowers here. Okay, so it has a comprehensive list of watch faces here. Do we have a custom watch face? Seems like we don't have a custom watch face. Okay, but we do have a comprehensive list of downloadable watch faces. Okay, so let's try and install at least one watch face here or two. Okay, so let's have a scenery to check whether it's very clear or not. So let's pick this one. Okay, so downloading. Okay, seems like we do have a watch face here, our custom watch face. I don't know, we'll try it later. Okay, so we do have a custom watch face. Okay, I'm mistaken. Okay, let's pick this one. So how do we download this? Okay, again, maybe how about this one? Let's try. How do we change the watch face here? Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have here. Okay, I forgot. Now my brain is not working right. Okay, let's go back here. It's on the bottom part. The synchronized dial. Let's check. Okay, we'll see. So upgrading. As you can see here, it automatically changes here on your smartwatch. Okay, it's on the download mode, and we have here a progress bar. Let's just wait. %, 82, 84. Okay, the band or the smartwatch restarted. And as you can see here, let's focus on the image. We have successfully installed the watch face. Okay, so let's try and check on the change dial section here. Let's pick this one. Okay, okay, did not load. Completed. Okay, so we have change the dial again. Go to dial, change it, pick, tap on completed, tap on the check here, and we have here the change dial section. Okay, you can adjust the date, pick for the location. Okay, then on the bottom part, synchronize dial. So let's check. So upgrading, similar procedures. It is installing the custom watch face to our Y16 smartwatch. So it's pretty easy. Okay, at first we forgot the location of the synchronized dial button here. Okay, it's been a while since we used the watch face section for the Fit Pro app. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have here the custom watch face. Okay, let's focus on. Okay, where's that? Let's go back. Okay, so it's a bit small, but it's okay. Okay, at least we do have a custom watch face, and we also have several downloadable watch face in the Fit Pro app support app. Okay, so we have several, okay, beautiful looking, okay, premium looking watch faces for your Y16 smartwatch. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the installation of the watch face for your Y16 smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Goodbye.